Ricky Palou from the Ateneo side, always present, well, as much as he can. I know we always see him around whatever sport that he can watch here. Today, it's volleyball.
Ayan,
Sunday,
with the kids.
Kids are out. And they're on national TV. Yes, you. We're talking to you.
Bumabata si Sir Ricky pagkasama bumabata. Kaya yun ang gusto yung mga kasama.
In the meantime, Gretchen Ho served 8, serving 4. Nakpala ni Mr. M. Fernandez yung kasama ni Sir Ricky. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat at maligayang Pasko. Gretchen Ho.
Also, I'd like to greet two of my friends that I saw yesterday. One is Tonton Lim, Piwa from Lukban, and isang kumpare ko si Tom Arreglo from Laguna. I saw them yesterday, and they're gonna watch today's game.
Roy.
And I'm sure they're watching right now.
Thank you. 9 serving 4 is our score. Southland. Rejected at the net by Jem Ferrer of all girls. Nakachi also there. Ailis Nakachi. Gretchen Ho, who originally played basketball. Now, I told the story before. She was a basketball player. She went to ICA. There was no basketball program. So she dabbled into volleyball, and then when got to Ateneo, just tried out, right?
Good for her. So really a good athletic background for
Actually, I did say, as you see Phil Kaitlett kill that ball, I said she's a former ballerina, right? Si Phil, but basketball was her first sport. And then nag-ayaw daw siya, umayaw siya, gusto niya ballet na lang.
And then
grade 5, she got into volleyball. But I think we see the ballerina background every now and then.
Yeah,
nakikita natin.
That's right.
She has a certain grace that we see when she plays, especially in her approach.
If kids start at a very young age, you gotta give credit to the parents. Na talagang they want their kids to get into sports. That's very, very important.
I remember my first volleyball game. I was grade 3. I don't know. Do you remember what grade you were? Kasi ganun yung mga... When I talked to... Ganun, mga grade... Ganun din?
I started grade 7.
So later pa. So grade 3, sila Zia Hervasio told me they're grade 5. The same with Jeb, grade 4. Grade 5 din daw si Phil. So yung around that time.
Wow. So again, those formative years, very, very important. Yung grade school level natin, yung grade school program, those coaches have to be really good at teaching the basics.
At saka lalo ngayon dahil inaabangan na ng mga eskwela yung mga magagaling Volleyball ba, basketball, or track and field, or and whatever.
All of these sports really have iba kailangan mapakita mo na talagang they're worthy of getting into that level that can compete not only here in our country but in fact world beaters if possible.
Yes, if possible, of course, internationally, as we see UP score in this attack.
That's a nice one from Las Marias.
Las Marias again,
splitting the block.
7 serving 13. Oh, the net catching that one. So a free point going to Ateneo now. At 14 serving 7. A. Nakachi. Las Marias again. Phil keeps it high.
Oh,
that reaches. What a point for Ateneo. Wow. We told you, lock plays its role sometimes. Look at
the ballerina.
Ballerina, di ba? And then Nakachi just full swing on a dig, reverse dig, and it catches a little bit of the net. That's why it just confused the UP players. And you know what? It becomes an impact point because
That's right.
Parang nagganahan itong Ateneo. That's technical timeout here in set number 3. 16-7 is our score. Back in a moment.